What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about the 9 dividend payments that I got in the month of June 2022. And actually, these 9 dividend payments totaled $492 exactly. So once again, in this video, I'm going to show and talk to you guys about the 9 dividend payments that I got in the month of June 2022. But hey, listen, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I've been investing in the stock market officially since May of 2020, and it's been an up and down ride. As you would suspect, it's the stock market. And so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to share with you guys the current value of my portfolio. I'm going to put that on the screen, and then I'm going to show you the 9 dividend payments that I got in the month of June. And then I'm also going to show you where I am as far as what my average cost is regarding that particular company, as well as what it's trading for currently at the making of this video. So this video is being made on June the 5th. I will probably upload it on the 6th, which is Wednesday. So you guys will probably see it on the 6th. All right. So once again, looking at the screen right now, you can see my current portfolio. This is live. This is on Robinhood. And at the making of this video, it's currently 12:10 p.m. here in Houston. It's Central Time. As you can see, my portfolio is currently valued at $195,000. Today, I'm currently down $618. Of course, it's going to be moving as I'm doing the video. Right now, it says $615. For my buying power, it says that there's a lot of money here for the buying power, but that's because I have margin investing turned on Robinhood. So I really don't have $140,000 that I'm going to be able to buy stocks. So don't pay attention to that. That's not accurate. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the 9 payments that I got in the month of June in regards to dividend payments. So I'm going to click on account here, and at the very bottom, you can see the very first payment, which is with AGNC, and that was for $24.84. So we got that there. The next payment on June 10th was with ExxonMobil for $97.07. The next payment is June 15th from Stag Industrial for $30.43. Then we have another dividend payment from Prospect Capital for $93.65. Then we have another dividend payment on the 24th of June for $9.99. And if I scroll up a little bit here, we have another dividend payment on the 28th of June for $45.26. Then we have another dividend payment on the 28th as well for $19.20. And then I think we have a couple more. Then we have Armor Residential REIT for $98.49. And then on the 30th of June, we have the last payment for $73.07. And that is a total of $492 exact. No cents, just $492. Okay, so that's pretty cool. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how each payment was kind of made based on how much they're paying per share. So as you can see, the very first one here with AGNC, you can see at the time AGNC is paying 12 cents per share, and I had 207 shares, which is how I was able to get $24.84. And then on the 10th for ExxonMobil, ExxonMobil is paying 88 cents per share, and at the time I had 110 shares, so I was able to get a payment of $97.07. By the way, AGNC investment pays dividends every single month. ExxonMobil pays dividends quarterly. The next one is Stag Industrial, and they pay monthly. They're paying 12 cents per share at the time. I had 250 shares, which allowed me to get a dividend payment for $30.43. The next one is Prospect Capital on the 21st of June. They are currently paying 6 cents per share. I had 1,560 shares, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $93.65. The next one here is on the 24th of June, which is Vanguard High Yield Dividend ETF. That ticker symbol is VYM. They pay quarterly, and they're currently paying 84 cents per share. At the time, I had 11.78 shares, and I got the payment for $9.99. On the 28th of June, I got another Vanguard ETF dividend This is with VGT. They're paying 59 cents per share. I currently have 79 shares, so my dividend payment was $45.26. The next one on the 28th of June is also another Vanguard ETF. This is VUG, and they're paying 32 cents per share. At the time, I had 59 shares, so my payment was $19.20. And then, of course, you have June the 29th here with Elmore Residential REIT, who pays dividends every single month. They're paying 10 cents per share. I have 984 shares, so therefore my payment was $98.49. And then the last one with Gladstone Capital, who also pays dividends monthly. They're paying 6 cents per share, and I had 1,082 shares, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $73.07. So to show you guys where I am currently, once again, AGNC was the first dividend payment that I got. My average cost per share is at $14.86, and currently AGNC is trading for $11.40. So my total return right now, and this is live, I'm down 23%, which is negative $724.99. This would be a decent time to grab some more shares, but of course I'm not currently pumping more money into the stock market. I'm just kind of sitting still. If this continues this way, I probably will grab some shares. But when I get my dividend payment, Robinhood is automatically grabbing more shares for me. So as you guys can see, I'll show you guys, Robinhood went ahead and took my dividend payment, which was $24.84, and they were able to grab some more shares, and at the time it was for $12.11. They were able to grab 2 shares. Okay, so that's AGNC investment. Once again, that's currently trading right now live for $11.40. The next one is with ExxonMobil, who pays dividends quarterly. This one I'm really happy with. My overall average cost is $45.47, and there was a time that I was up 101% as far as my total return. Currently, I'm up 83%, which is $4,212, and ExxonMobil is currently trading for $83.29. Okay, so once again, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed as much share as they could in regards to what my dividend payment was. So I'll show you guys here on June 10th, they were able to grab almost a full share, not quite, 0.99 shares at $97.40 per share. $97.40 per share, but right now Exxon is trading for $83.36. Okay, the next one up is Stag Industrial, and they pay quarterly. My average cost at $40.30. My total return is, I'm down negative 23%, which is $2,406. Okay, right now Stag is trading for $30.72. Perfect time to grab more shares because I believe in this company and that, you know, it will be solid moving forward. All right, the next one is Prospect Capital. They pay dividends monthly. My average cost per share is $7.25. My overall return is, I am down negative 2.19%, which is negative $242.77. Once again, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some shares with the dividend payment that I got. Let's see right here. Oh, sweet. They were able to grab 13 more shares, and it was for $6.89. Okay, which is kind of cool because that's below what Prospect Capital is trading for right now, which is $7.10. So I'm happy about that one. The next one up is Vanguard High Yield Dividend ETF. This is VYM, the ticker symbol. My average cost per share is $90.68. And my total return is, I'm up 10%, which is $112.89. Okay, that's Vanguard Capital. That's Vanguard High Yield Dividend ETF. The next one is the Vanguard Information Technology, ticker symbol VGT. My average cost per share is $409.84. I wish I can grab some more shares of this because, as you can see, it's trading for $327.48. My total return, I am down negative 20%, which is negative $6,270. Okay, that's with Vanguard Information Technology ETF. I like this one quite a bit. The next one is VUG, which is Vanguard Growth ETF. My average cost per share is $283.48. I am currently down negative 20%, which is $3,454. It's currently trading for $225.89. This is another one where I would actually grab more shares if I could. And the next one up is Elmore Residential REIT. This one pays monthly. My average cost per share is $11.47. I am currently down the most on this one, negative 38%, which is negative $4,353.16. I wouldn't necessarily grab more shares with this one unless I just had lots of money and I wanted to bring my average cost down. I'm going to sit still regarding Omar Residential REIT. And then the very last one is Gladstone Capital, and you can see my average cost per share is $10.83, and my total return is negative 8.32%. Gladstone Capital is trading for $9.93. So currently I'm down negative 8%, which is negative $981. And those are all the dividend payments that I got in the month of June 2022. Just showing and sharing with you guys, trying to be as transparent as possible. So my dividend payments aren't exactly the same every single month, obviously, because I have dividend payments that pay dividends quarterly, and then I have some that pay monthly. So that's why the amount of my dividend payments from month to month fluctuate. And of course, it can also fluctuate depending on if the dividend payment is increased or if it's decreased, whether that's increased by 1 cent or, a tenth of a cent or whatever. Of course, that's going to affect my overall dividend payment. Since I started this video, my portfolio, I was actually down negative $600 and something in the beginning of this video. My portfolio was valued at $195,000 and change. So currently you can see my portfolio is valued at $196,000. I'm up $568 today. As you can see, the stock market is all over the place, and this is an exact example of just that. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Thumbs up this video, it helps the channel and this particular video. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.